Hi there, welcome to another episode of our Bringing the Law to Your Doorstep series. Once again, my name is Emmanuel, your lovely intern at King's Court Law, and today we'll be discussing another interesting subject, the subject of the paid engagement visa, what I personally call the PEV. We'll be having a critical look at what that type of visa is, the eligibility requirements, the prerequisites to be satisfied under the law, and a few other interesting subjects which I think will endear my dear travel agents out there. So, imagine that you are the pinnacle of your career and an exciting opportunity presents itself for you to showcase your expertise, your talent, your skill to a global audience within the United Kingdom. Is that an opportunity that you'd be willing to embrace? And to some of you, this question might even be rhetorical, and that is the reason why I'm here. So, as a law firm at King's Court Law, we basically here to be able to help you navigate the complexities, professionals like yourself, to be able to navigate the complexities of this type of visa and to make your dreams of gaining that international recognition a reality. So we are here to materialize those dreams for you, and I'm hoping that this video is going to be informative and educative for this particular purpose. So what is the PEV? So the paid engagement visa is also another type of visa that entitles you to a period of 6 months in the United Kingdom. So it has a lot of features and similarities to the UK standard visa. The only caveat to the PEV is that you are coming to the United Kingdom in a professional capacity, and that the roles or the responsibilities you would have to be assigned when you come to the United Kingdom has to synchronize with your roles in a professional capacity, so that if you are coming to the United Kingdom as an actor or an actress, you should bear in mind that within the first month, an emphasis on the first month, because the law makes it clear, within the first month, you are going to be performing solely acting related roles for the entire period of your stay in the United Kingdom, and that should start in the first month of your arrival in the United Kingdom. And of course, you should be 18 years and over, and you need to also establish unequivocally that you are an expert in your field. Now, how do you do this? So, if you are an actor or an actress, for example, you can use published works. If you have posters, if you have banners, if there are newspaper articles on you establishing the fact that you're an actor or an actress, you can use that. You can also organize a compilation of some of your best performances on TV, in commercials, and in film or in theater to be able to supplement, your application, to add more weight to your application. So if you're a musician, if you are coming in any other professional capacity, just gathering evidence to be able to establish the fact that yes, indeed, you are who you claim to be, and that you are coming here to be able to make that significant impact within a short period of time is something that the UK Home Office, of course, pays critical attention to. Now, the last factor to be considered is that you would need a written invitation from a UK-based organization or a client from a pre-arranged event or other permitted activity to be able to support your application. Yes, and once you are able to satisfy these prerequisites under the law, that will make your application a very strong one. Now we'll move on to the eligibility requirements. Now, the eligibility requirements of the PEV is virtually the same as that of the standard visitor visa. And one thing that I like to mention on this particular subject is that when it's indicated in your invitation letter that the period of the program is going to last for, let's say, 2 weeks, although technically you can remain in the United Kingdom for a period of 6 months, we always advise our clients that at the end of that 2-week period, in this particular instance, it's advisable that you leave the United Kingdom, because it establishes a sense of credibility, a sense of integrity in the eyes of the UK Home Office, and that makes all other subsequent applications very easy to be considered. You are readily going to be issued with a visa when you're able to stick to timelines with some of these applications. So yes, that is a little tidbit I like to give to people who want to embark on any journey to the United Kingdom. So the next thing I'd like to talk about is the subject of the proof of funds under the eligibility requirements. So you need to be able to establish that you have enough money in your bank account, which will be able to sponsor the entirety of your stay in the United Kingdom. And we always advise our clients that make sure that your documents are authentic, they are genuine, so that your application process can be seamless. Because once the documents are not genuine, the implications could be dire. We have people who have received bans on the applications because they didn't get the right documents to sponsor the application. And on the issue of the falsification of documents, although as a law firm we've successfully challenged the UK Home Office on some of the decisions that they passed out, we tell people all the time, because to be able to prove falsification of documents, there are a lot of technicalities in there that I can't discuss here on this particular platform. But we always tell people that make sure that your documents are genuine and authentic. So are you an artist? This visa will enable you to showcase your talent and your skills to an eager UK audience. If you're an academic or a lecturer, this type of visa, the PEV, will give you the opportunity to share your ideas, your thoughts and your knowledge at conferences and at seminars. If you're a sports person, this visa will enable you to showcase your skills at top tier sports events. And even if you're a lawyer, this visa would also give you the opportunity to represent your client in UK legal proceedings as well here in the UK. To my dear travel agents out there are a cluster of interesting exhibitions and musical concerts going to take place in the UK between now and the end of December. And as I go through my list, I see the Reading Festival, Leeds Festival, the Weatherfest, Creamfields Festival, Country Roads Festival, and a whole cluster of important programs and seminars going to take place in the United Kingdom between now and December. So you can also reach out to us, and we would be more than willing to assist you with any information you need in that regard. So why wait? At King's Court Law, we specialize in crafting paid engagement visa applications that are as compelling as your talent, and you can reach out to us to be able to assist you in this particular regard. Thank you very much, and I'm going to see you in another episode of Bringing the Law at Your Doorstep series.